but demand for the monopoly output might also be considerably lower and might lie below the average cost curve as it does in panel C. The usual rule of producing where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost then implies an output level of xm with pricing of pm along the demand curve. Now, however, the average cost of producing the quantity xm is higher than the price the monopoly can charge, thus resulting in a negative profit for the monopolist if the monopolist produces xm. Again, we're assuming here that the fixed cost that's incorporated in the average cost curve is a recurring fixed cost, such as the maintenance of power lines. Natural monopolies, like utility companies, are oftentimes regulated by the government, but the nature of the regulation would differ depending on how high demand is relative to average cost. In panel B, there's no concern that the utility company can provide services. By providing the monopoly quantity xm, it is in fact making a profit, and the regulator might try to get the utility company to produce more and get closer to the efficient level of output by regulating the prices and quantities that it can charge and produce. In panel C, on the other hand, the concern is that the company cannot provide services because it would make a negative profit if it produced where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. In that case, some form of price discrimination might be required in order for the natural monopoly to be able to make at least zero profit. In fact, regulation often takes the form of a fixed charge combined with a per unit charge, a fixed hookup fee, as well as a per unit charge for each unit of electricity that's used, for instance. Another policy approach is for the government to provide the basic infrastructure, the power lines and the power grid, and then allow utility companies to compete along that infrastructure, where the utility companies now only have the marginal costs in the picture. This is analogous to the government providing a road network and allowing trucking companies to use that road network and compete along it.